Volkswagen Gulf SportWagen service experts. Volkswagen AG, known internationally as the Volkswagen Group, is a German multinational automotive manufacturing corporation headquartered in Wolfsburg, Lower Saxony, Germany. Are you looking for some Volkswagen Gulf SportWagen service experts? Get end-to-end auto mechanic services from a simple repair or something more complex. Our auto mechanics are able to do a professional job in a quick and cost-effective manner. Servicing your Volkswagen Gulf SportWagen is crucial to maintaining its performance, reliability, and safety. Regular maintenance helps prevent potential issues and ensures that your vehicle operates at its best. Here are some general service recommendations. Oil change. Regular oil changes are essential to keep the engine lubricated and functioning properly. Follow the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and replace essential fluids such as transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Tire maintenance. Rotate your tires at regular intervals to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure regularly and align the wheels if necessary. Brake system inspection. Regularly inspect the brake system, including brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid. Replace components as needed. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter at recommended intervals to ensure proper airflow to the engine. Cabin air filter replacement. Replace the cabin air filter to maintain clean air inside the vehicle for occupants. Battery check. Monitor the condition of the battery, checking for corrosion on terminals and ensuring secure connections. Inspection of belts and hoses. Regularly inspect and, if necessary, replace belts and hoses that show signs of wear or damage. Wheel alignment. Schedule a wheel alignment if you experience steering issues or notice uneven tire wear. Check and replace wiper blades. Inspect wiper blades regularly and replace them if they show signs of wear to ensure clear visibility. Check lights and signals. Regularly check all exterior and interior lights, including headlights, brake lights, and turn signals. Scheduled maintenance. Adhere to the manufacturer's recommended scheduled maintenance as outlined in the owner's manual. Software updates. Stay informed about any software updates or recalls issued by Volkswagen. These updates may enhance vehicle performance and address potential issues. Professional service. Seek professional Volkswagen service at authorized service centers. Technicians at these centers are trained to work specifically on Volkswagen vehicles. Always refer to the owner's manual for the manufacturer's specific recommendations regarding maintenance intervals and service procedures for your Volkswagen Gulf SportWagen. Regular maintenance not only ensures the vehicle's performance but also contributes to your safety and the longevity of your Volkswagen.